Hello. Do you know our body consists of 70 to 75% of water? If yes, so my question to you is, what will happen to our body if we consume fresh water? On the other side, what will happen to our body if we consume contaminated water? Nature has created our human body to drink live water. Yes, you heard it right, live water. Now, let me explain you what is live water. Floating river water or waterfall water is live water. Now, the question comes, what are the properties of live water? 50 years ago, CEO and founder of Enagic company and ex-engineer of Sony, Mr. Hironari Oshiro, began his research on live water. Later, he found out three major properties. First, microclustering. Second, antioxidant. Third, alkaline. And then he invented a medical device which has all these three properties in it. That too, without using any harmful chemicals. The research on this medical device continued for 20 years in Japan government hospitals. Thereafter, Enagic was launched, Energy plus Magic, Enagic, and the device was named as Kangen, which means return to origin. With this, company spread its wings in more than 28 countries and is working globally. Let us know what scientific values this machine holds. First, microclustering means thin water, which indicates that this water is 6 times hydrated than normal water. The density of this water is so thin that it can easily dissolve green tea, even in a room temperature. Second, antioxidant. Oxidant means aging. At this point of time, we cannot reduce our age, but we can slow down the process of aging by consuming antioxidant food and water. Here is an ORP chart where minus depicts slow aging. More the meter goes negative, higher the antioxidant is, and more the meter shows plus, higher the oxidation is.
Let us now witness the ORP of normal drinking water, then the ORP of your favorite cold drink, and now the ORP of structured Kangen water.
Third is alkaline. This is pH scale, power of hydrogen, where red shows acidic, blue shows alkaline, and green shows neutral. Our blood pH is 7.3 and the pH of healthy body comes between neutral and alkaline. We all know that being too acidic causes adverse effects to our body. On the other side, there are many ways to make alkaline water at home. Say for an example, mixing water with calcium oxide or lemon, which again harms us in many ways. This is Kangen water machine. Through the electrolysis process, the water becomes alkaline without adding chemicals. Now you can see the pH value of water and cold drink, and then you can see the pH value of structured Kangen water. This water helps in neutralizing excessive acidity. We now strongly believe that after witnessing these three properties, you are now aware of live water. Now is the time to know the magical property of Kangen water. Nowadays, farmers are sprinkling pesticides in fruits and vegetables. As you can see this clearly in the video, how the procedure is being done. Interestingly, before sprinkling pesticides, farmers mix it well with oil so that it cannot get washed away even after heavy rainfall. There are many ways where farmers can make rotten fruits and vegetables look fresh, as shown in the video,
where a person has dipped coriander in a tub full of chemical solutions. where within a minute coriander turns out to be fresh and eatable.
Aren't we aware how harmful this consumption can be? Well, do you have any solution